In this video, we're going to see how you can add APK, XAPK files in LDPlayer. Okay, and also we're going to see how you can do it manually. For example, in my case, I can just trace my documents. I can trace where the LDPlayer kind of has the files on my PC where I can copy these files. So we're going to see how you can do it manually. So I have this file, this APK file for a player. I want to add it in my LDPlayer. So what I'm going to do, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this file. Then I'm going to go in my documents. In my documents, I have a folder called XUANZ something. So is this. Probably also on your computer, you find it with a weird name. Maybe it's the numbers that change, but you will easily find out a folder which is not really common on your PC. So as long as you open it and then you find that you have applications, miscellaneous, and pictures, this is usually a folder for LDPlayer. Okay, so if you want to add APK files manually into LDPlayer, you can just go to a folder called pictures, because I realized on my LDPlayer, when I put a picture, it usually keeps it here. So this folder, you can still pass there your your app file. So when you paste your app file here, when I go to LDPlayer, then I refresh, there will be another app file. Okay, that is the Buzz TV. So I've just pasted it manually into the pictures folder. So in other words, if you want files to be accessed in your LDPlayer, you can just paste them in the pictures folder. Okay, so after that, you can just click on install, and then this app will be installed. Okay, so how did you find so as you see, installation successful. So how do you find this section? How do you go to this section? Now everyone has a shortcut, but me, when I'm in LDPlayer, I just have to go where you search games from. I can type there, then I type something like that, some junk. Then I search that. Probably it won't bring anything because it's just junk. But at the top right, there is a download icon. I click on it. That's where I access download management, app update, APK management, app management. So I can easily access this section, APK management, when I click on a download. Okay, so I start by searching something, junk something here, search games. Then when I enter, I usually come on this side. Okay, so that is how you can install APK files manually in LDPlayer. And if you want to download this APK, if you want to delete them, you can click delete from here, or you can just delete them manually from this side. Let me delete the Zender. Okay, so when I delete it out, you have to refresh here. It will be out. So that is how you can install APK app files in LDPlayer, and that's how you can manage them, and also that's how you can you locate the LDPlayer file location on your computer. Okay, don't forget, if this video has helped you, don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thanks for the support, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.